So I'm with Jason and James. We've got the Eachine BF109 and the Spitfire. Good. Alright, so we're going to attempt a dogfight. I tried it with James earlier. Complete disaster. Well, it wasn't for my...
You won.
I won.
Yeah, you shot him down.
For me.
Shot him down. So let's see how you guys do.
Alright.
Alright, James has put a spare prop on.
Chuck them together.
So what we found is that these fly best in mid mode, don't they? Definitely.
Yeah, definitely. Expert mode, impossible, and beginner mode, they just don't bank enough.
No.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my God! Straight away! What?
Did you get it?
I did, yeah. Whose fault was that? Right, so what's the damage?
None.
So the props had been knocked off?
The props knocked off, we just push them back on and
ready to go again.
we're ready to go again.
Okay.
So that's 2-0 to the Spitfire.
I'm not having a good day. Damn you!
Good to go. Is he actually trying to knock you out of the air? Right, let's get some bit of coordinated flying going on, shall we?
All the way around, just continuous right turn.
You're definitely faster.
Yeah.
It is faster.
Throttle off.
Oh!
That was wingtip to wingtip.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Well done.
Right, dog fight. Fight to the death. Go.
No, down you go. So drop right down. Sit down.
Okay, get him.
Where'd he go?
Attack.
That was close, I felt that. Good shots though. This is what you have to do to get the best shots.
Dom is risking his life.
Oops, sorry, mate.
On the back.
Get in the prop.
Okay, James. Okay,
Emmy,
James.
BF109 is down again.
The prop flew off. Too much aggressive flying.
Oh, so close.
Brilliant.
That's a lot of fun, isn't it?
They are good fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
I mean, all the problems we have with large models, but these things that just pop out of the box are the best.
And do you know what? It's actually pretty windy today. I mean, look, you know, it is really windy, and they
Well, it's the stabilisation on that.
really, and the battery life. I mean,
Yeah, that was a good, what, 10-minute flight?
yeah,
Something like
and I've
that?
And they're
still got
still
plenty of
going.
power,
Yeah.
Really impressive. The 109 is definitely a bit quicker than the Spit.
Yeah, I guess it's a thinner wing.
Yeah, I think definitely a bit of a performance advantage there.
So we like them. So the links
Yeah.
for these are in the video description and pinned comment, but thumbs up from us. Just like all the other Warbirds in this Eachine Mini Warbird series. They're really, really good. Thanks guys. Enjoyed
so
that.
much.
Cheers.
I'm going to carry on.
Straight away! Oh!